Where's your nana? Hmm? You don't know? What's this one? What's this one? A nana. How about this one? What's this one? Nana. Oh, Mama will open the nana for you. Okay, which one is hinog? Oh. Nana. You eat nana. I eat nana. Good girl, honey. She let everyone out first.
That's being kind.
That's being kind. That's correct. Come on. Let's go to your room.
Where is it?
Where is it?
It's over there. I know where it is already. Mine.
Look. It's so good. Alright. Page 17. Morning. Oh, we're in the music room, sweetie. Oh, there. Go. They're going to where? Drama. Come on, sweetie girl. The Paris is here. See, they're going. That's your apple. Good morning, guys. It is currently 8:49 in the morning. And it's Monday again. Kakadrop lang natin kay Ate Paris sa school. At nag-drive kami dito sa cafe na hindi kalayuan sa school ni Ate Paris. Para bumili ng kape at mag-breakfast maybe with our friend. Our Korean friend actually. So, itong friend natin na to, na-meet natin sila last year sa park kung saan kami naglaro yesterday. And then she's got a son the same age as Paris, and yun, nagka-band ang dalawa, naging friends. So us parents naging magkaibigan na rin, although hindi kami nagkita kasi after that umuwi na kami ng Pinas, diba? And then we came back last week. Pumunta kami doon sa Bulimba Park kasi pinaglaro ko si Baby Celine doon. And then she saw us. So, nagka-chika-chika kami for at least an hour. And then, yeah, so sabi niya, yun, after school drop-off ng mga kids, she invited us dito sa cafe na to kasi we'll have coffee / breakfast. Yeah, so it's now 8:51. 9 yung usapan namin. Wala pa naman siyang message, guys. We'll get out soon. Andito lang naman kami sa harapan. Diba na? Diba na? So, how's your weekend, everyone? Dito, very, guys, very busy always. And, I just want to say thank you to everyone. Hindi ko man naano sa vlog ko, like, every time nasasabi, but I'm very thankful to each and every one of you. Napansin ko kasi since Philippines, bakasyon natin. Oh, you're right, honey girl? Nag-grow ang channel natin. So, I'm very thankful. I'm very happy. And also, very motivated. Kung napansin nyo, sunod-sunod na yung vlog natin. Kasi, very, si mami nyo sa pag-edit, kasi, nakikita ko na may interesadong manood. So, yeah, just wanna say thank you. Sa mga old subscribers na natin dyan, of course, alam nyo, mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. Appreciate ko yung mga comments nyo, binabasa ko yun lahat. Welcome sa mga bagong subscribers. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung mga vlogs natin. I'm trying very hard na mas enjoyable, na hindi naman masyadong boring yung ating vlogs. Kaya minsan kapag walang ganap sa araw, hindi ko bina-vlog kasi ayaw kong maano kayo, mabagot kayo ba, ano ba yan, uy, ano yung vlog na yun, uy, wala naman yung laman. I try my very best na kapag ano tayo sa labas, kanyan, binavlog natin para i-share ko sa inyo kasi that's the main reason why we're vlogging, right? It's sharing. Kasi as a subscriber myself, nanonood din ako ng ibang mga vlogs. Gusto ko yung may nakikita ko sa labas, may mga ganap. Oh! What's wrong? So, ina-apply ko rin yun sa vlogs natin, guys. Yes? Where's your apple? Where did you put it?
Yeah.
Did you drop it? Yes, you did. You sure did, sweetie. Where are you going? Are you going to be a good girl? Yes? Are you going to be a good girl at the cafe? Okay. I'll expect that, okay? Okay? Ay, napakainit naman talaga. Anak, I think it's another 30 degrees today. So, dyan lang naman ang lalakarin. Dyan sa corner ng cafe. Do you wanna walk? Hmm? Walkie, walkie. Oh my God. Sabi niya, nandun na daw siya, guys. Ha? Kasi ito gustong maglakad Pwede mamahintay siya, 2 minutes. 2 minutes lang naman. Grabe, sobrang ganda ng araw, Basta hindi ka lang magbabad sa ilalim ng araw, it's fine. Pero kapag nakatayo ka sa diretsa sa araw, naku, sobrang init, guys, nangangagat. Come on, hey, come on. Hold mama. I don't know how it will go kasi alam niyo naman meron tayong baby, so hindi natin mapipredict. Baka ito siya ay paiyak-iyak. And then, we can stay for long. But we'll see how it goes. You be a good girl, honey. Come on. Yeah, hindi na siya sa... Uwi? Good girl. Good girl. Hi, how are you? We're with someone outside. Okay, on the back? Yeah. Yes. Come on. Let's go. One, two, three, go. Come. Come. Say hello.
For Instagram or what?
Oh, vlogging. YouTube.
Oh yeah, I'll be there for
Yeah. So it's now 10:50 ng umaga. So it's exactly 1 hour, guys, nang umalis kami. Kakabalik lang namin sa sasakyan. Kakatapos lang ng breakfast namin. And someone's asleep. Ayan. Tulog na ang ating baby Celine. So now, we're heading to New Farm kasi dadalhin ko ang aking shoes sa kay Manong Zapatero. Palagyan ko siya ng sole, guys. Ito yung shoes na sobrang ginamit ko sa Pinas. Yung aking Hermes na Oran. Tignan nyo. Diyan. Ayan. So, kailangan natin yung ipa-resolve para humaba pa ang kanyang buhay. Kailangan siyang i-save, guys. Kasi sayang naman kung masisira na siya. So, nag-search ako online kagabi. And apparently, there's one good mag-repair ba ng shoes. Hindi siya kailangan i-repair. Kailangan lang siya ng sa ilalim ba. Para hindi siya tawag yun, guys, mahilis. But beforehand, Daddy Mike just sent a message. Kailangan kong tawagan yung real estate agent namin kasi kaninang umaga while Daddy Mike was preparing the lunchbox ni Ate Paris, yung tap namin, yung faucet ba sa kusina na snap. So it's broken and the water is just left running. So kailangan namin kumuha na ang plumber para mag-fix noon. but we'll just call them and see if they can send someone ASAP.
Good morning, Ray White Cypress. Rebecca speaking.
Hi Rebecca, good morning. It's Jovi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad, thank you.
I will get the plumbers out there ASAP.
That would be great. Thank you so much.
No worries, thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, bye.
Drive ko muna to sa New Farm, guys. I think New Farm is 15 minutes from here. While she's asleep. I'll see you there, guys.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way.
Guys, alam niyo bang malapit ng mag 1 o'clock? It's 12:47 and andito pa rin kami sa sasakyan. So dumating kami dito sa New Farm nearly an hour ago. But tingnan nyo, ang sarap ng tulog ni Inday. Ayan, oh. But I think gigisingin ko yan siya kasi mahaba na naman yung tulog niya. Kasi we have to go to the shoe repair place. At it's lunchtime now, guys. It's lunchtime na. So, bibili na lang siguro kami ng something na makakain dyan kasi meron namang mga shops dyan. We'll just drop that. And then, yeah, pipick up pa natin ang ating Ate Paris sa we have to be there at 2:45. Oh my goodness. Ang sarap ng kanyang tulog sa sasakyan. Ayaw ko kasing bumalik na sa bahay na hindi ko nahatid yung shoes ko since nandito na kami kasi ayaw kong mag-drive ulit pa. God, sobrang init sa labas, guys. Ayan, oh, ang ating baby girl ay still sleepy. But we gotta go. Diyan lang naman sa harap. There. Mag-post na lang kami dito. Mini! Ayan. Ayan. Lenses. We'll go in and ask. Hello. Hello. How are you? Whoop. I've got my sandals here. I just need it like so. Is that something we can do?
So what do you want to do with these?
Just
fix the heels up?
Yeah, put like a sole.
And you want to put a cover sole in there?
Yeah.
Sure. We can sort that out. We're going to have to build your toes up where you've worn them down.
Okay, yep.
And we're going to have to build your heel up where you've worn that down, then put heels and soles on them.
Yep.
You're looking at about $75 to sort them out.
Yep. No worries.
What's your name?
Jovey, Jovey.
But the sooner you put them on, the longer your shoes last.
Yep. Thank you so much.
I'll send you a text when I've got these done. These will probably be late this week or maybe next.
No problems. No problems. I read a lot of reviews.
Yeah.
We're from Morningside, and I have to go there. I have to travel there.
Thank you, Jay.
You're so sleepy. We go get something to eat. So na-drop na natin yung shoes andyan. So they charged me $75 for that. It's worth it naman, guys. Yeah. Kasi parang nanipis na talaga yung ano ba. So that's okay. I'm happy with $75. Itong aking suot ngayon na isa ay ipaano ko rin. Lagyan ko rin ng ano sa ilalim. $40 daw. Okay. Woohoo! Down. Hold mama. Hold mama. This way. Yay! There's a dog. So, in front of the shoe place, meron silang mga ganito. So, we'll see kung ano yung mahanap natin dito. I'm looking very happy. What's in it? You want that one? Let's go. You have to say yes. Say yes. Nag-order ako ng beef fry. It's very hard. Oh no. Hirap naman i-open ito eh. Oh, there you go. That's better. Wala ko silang high chair dito eh. So na ito ay maging good girl at here you go. That's apple juice for you, my love. Yeah. Don't like it? You like the number? 40. That's Daddy's age. That's Daddy's age. 40. Yeah, but Daddy will be 41 this year.
Dada.
Ayan, so nakatanggap kami ng text message galing doon sa shoe place. Hello from Lindsay's New Farm Shoe Service. Thanks for dropping your job in today. Fair enough na 75 yung kanilang yung charge doon, guys, kasi parang naano na talaga yung dito ba tapos dito very dirty. Ito siya yung gamit ko ngayon. Pinakita ko, sabi niya kung palagyan lang ng yung rubber sa ilalim. It's $40 but kasi di naman siya kailangan i-fix. Yes, sweetie girl. What happened to your napa? Oh no. We'll send a photo to Daddy. Send a photo to Daddy. Look. Oh, you're not looking. Again. Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Oh, thank you. Oh, we just get. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Yay. Ayan. So, beef fry. Yummy. I'm gonna look at it for you, okay? That's sauce. Careful, eh? Send a photo to Dita. Is it hot? Is it hot? Blow, blow. It's not hot anymore. Careful there, Baba. Yummy? You can eat it. No, okay, this one. You can eat it. You can do it yourself though. Kain muna kami, guys. We are back in the car. It's now 1:30. Bumili kami ng tubig. Oh my god. Ino namin yung aircon, guys. Tsaka kami alis kasi yung sa seat ni Baby Celine sa likuran ay direct yung sunlight pa. So mainit. Yeah, water. Here's your water. You can have this one because that's the old food. So, magdadrive kami pa uwi. It's 15 minutes to reckon lang. Then I'll grab something. And then we'll go pick up Ate Paris from school. Still thirsty? Napakainit na. Where's your nana? You don't know? What's this one? What's this one? A nana. How about this one? What's this one? Nana. Oh, Mama will open the nana for you. Okay, which one is Hinog? Oh, Nana. Happy siya kain ng Nana. Nana? Yummy the Nana. Is Nana yummy? Did you see Apple there too? Apple.
I'll eat Nana.
You eat Nana. I eat Nana.
Nana.
You like apple too, don't you? Ooh. What's in there? Give me some, babe. Yummy banana. You love it, don't you? Banana. Apple. Such a beautiful girl. Wow. Say wow. What's that? It's a bear.
A bear.
That's right, bear.
A bear.
A bear.
A bear.
A bear. Langga si mama.
A few moments later.
We are home, guys. Oh my goodness. Busy ng araw natin ngayon. soon, pipick upin natin ang ating Ate Paris. Umuwi kami dito kasi kailangan kong kunin yung mga naiwan na ano, tawag dito, yung invitation ba? Na hindi pa natin na ibigay. So, meron tayong dalawang naiwan dito. Dalhin natin para ibigay sa kanyang friendships. Don't throw it away, okay? And also, kailangan nating mag-post. So, manabenta si mami niyo sa eBay. And, what is that? Tingnan niyo, oh, kahit naka-on ang ating aircon ay ang kanyang buhok. Basang-basa pa rin sa pawis. Ayan. It's another Louis Vuitton handbag. Hang on, sweetie, go. Here you go. Hang on, sweetheart. Ayan. So this one is the same as the other one before. It's the Never Full MM. But yung condition nito ay mas used kumpara hanek ko. Kumpara sa yung una nating nabenta. Ayan. So as you can see, napatina na yung kanyang handles, yung mga leather trimmings. Yeah. So we sold this one Saturday, I believe. So hindi natin na-post hanggang ngayon kay Monday. Hindi ko ma-open yung post office. And then earlier today ay meron na naman tayong nabenta. And this is the Coach Hobo bag. Oh, diba? Cute nito. Swerte si ate nito cheap lang niya nakuha. So, dalawa yung ipopost natin. So, ayan. So, i-ready ko lang to siya. Ipapack natin. Para maganda naman pagdating sa buyer. Para happy sila. And then, we'll go straight to Ate Paris' school. Tsaka na kami magpo-post after Paris' school. Kasi, anong oras na ngayon? Dadalhin ko tong dalawa. Ay, naku. Good luck talaga sa akin kapag pupunta ako ng post office with these two guys. Kasi, gusto nilang sumama sa loob na, anong tawag dito? While I'm writing the addresses and all, ito naman silang dalawa. Ay, hala, sige, kuha doon sa mga pinamenta nilang mga doon, laruan. Very, tricky. Anyways, I just have to work with it. Got no choice. Wala naman tayong maiwan dito. So, Daddy Mike ay working from home, but he's very busy right now. He's actually on the phone. Anyways, very happy. Meron tayong benta, guys. Meron na naman tayong pang, pang chicha. May pang chicha daw. Picking up Ate Paris. Ate, so did you have your Japanese class today?
Ohio.
Ohio? What does that mean?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Even though I know what.
I think it's hello, not Ohio.
Huh?
You think that's hello? Comment in the comment section below, guys, kung ano yung Ohio. Hindi ako makapag-Google eh.
Japanese.
You're Japanese.
Oh
no! Ohio? Ohio gozaimasu.
No, that's not right. That's not why I'm talking about Ohio. That's the one.
Okay.
That last one.
Yeah, what else did you learn?
You can just say Ohio what? Ohio what?
Ohio what?
Hey! You just said it before.
Ohio gozaimasu?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's Japanese.
That's Japanese. Wow, well done, honey.
Oidasaki.
What is it?
Oidasaki.
Oidasaki? Oh, what does that mean? Hello? Oidasaki?
I don't know.
That's alright. It's so cool that you're learning words. Next time, you remember what they mean, okay? Any other words? Arigato?
Yes.
Yeah?
I learned it from the teacher.
Yeah.
Because we learned
Ailini!
at school.
Nak, Lini lang ka.
We went to the Japanese school.
Oh! Are you okay?
A little bit bigger because I can touch this now.
Good job. You're so big.
Let's see if I can climb the tree or something. Hey. What kind of activities do I have here? What's this?
It's coloring, honey. Lenny!
What kind of activity is this one?
Stop muna kami dito, guys. Uy, very hot. Come here lang!
Hi, what
I think it's matching game. So, see, this one says hat. So, where's the hat? You have to match it. Where's the hat?
Hat?
Celine! Feel na ni Celine ang salog.
Here? What the parrot's wearing.
That's right. Next one is parrot. Well done. Pirate.
Pirate?
It is dinner time, guys. Daddy made us.
Paris made it.
Oh, well, Daddy and Ate Paris made spaghetti. Spaghetti bolognese for dinner. This one ay napaliguan ko na, guys, before dinner. Ngayon kakain ito. Magiging messy na naman, okay? Gusto niya kasing pumunta ng shower kanina. Pinag-shower ko na, oh. Fresh na, baby girl.
Wow.
Fresh na fresh. Woo! Anyways, guys, as mentioned before, like earlier sa vlog natin, I said thank you very much to all of you, old and new subscribers, kasi, you know, our channel is slowly growing, and it makes me very, very happy. It makes the family very, very happy.